Hey everybody, I'm here with a quick video to help you out with some of the common charging errors that you might have when trying to charge the battery of your Roomba. You might be getting some troubleshooting lights blinking on the charger that would indicate that you have a problem. So if it's blinking once, if it's giving you one blink, that's just telling you that the Roomba's battery is not connected properly. If you're getting 2 to 5 blinks, that means that the Roomba itself has some kind of charging error. And if you're getting 6 blinks on the error, that means that the Roomba's battery is overheated. So you're going to want to just take it off the charger, put it in a cool spot, and let it cool down for an hour or so. And then you can put it back on the charger and see if that fixes it. And then if you get 7 blinks, that's telling you that despite all that, the battery still cannot cool down, and there might be some kind of problem with the battery. So those are the issues that you might have that might cause some charging errors on your Roomba. So I hope this helped, and have a great day.